Go.
Hello everyone, this is Diane from Takeoff Migration Dubai. Today, August 4, we have another successful client, Miss Gemma De Leon, who had received her work permit visa and preparing to travel to Hungary. Miss Gemma, how was your experience applying through Takeoff?
Very smooth and responsible and 100% legit. Apply now and pay later.
Through, in behalf of Takeoff Migration Dubai, Ms. Gemma, thank you so much for your trust in our services. We wish you good luck and congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Michelle from Takeoff Migration Dubai. Today, August 4, 2025, we have another successful client, Miss Ronaldine Mariano. Okay. She received her work permit visa bound to Hungary, and then she's preparing to travel maybe within this month. Okay, Miss Ronaldine, how was your experience applying through Takeoff?
Very smooth and successful and legit.
Okay. We wish you good luck and congratulations.
Thank you so much for
This
today's
is
call.
Today, August 29, we have another successful client, Mr. Rafi Al-Kawili. He received his working visa. He's ready to go in the Hungary now, maybe next week. Yes, Sir Rafi. And I just want to ask, what is your experience applying in Takeoff Migration?
It's really, very smooth and
Fast.
fun and very fast. The services is very fast. So I would like to thank this opportunity for this wonderful working visa that I received today. So I'm very grateful for this, so that I can fulfill my dreams going to Europe. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you also, sir. In behalf of Takeoff Migration Dubai, we are so very thankful also that you trust our services, and we are so we wish you good luck to your new journey in Hungary. Congratulations again, sir. Good luck and happy trip also.
Thank you so much.